In this video, we will see how to use the comment feature in PageMajik Editor. Click on the comment icon in the text menu. This opens up the comments pane. The top section of the comments pane displays the comments, and the bottom pane displays the comment as it is being typed in. The comment can be categorized using the configured options in the Mark As drop-down on the right. To close the comments pane, click on the arrow at the right top corner. You can also access the comments pane by clicking on the comment option from the vertical menu bar. To insert a comment at cursor location, click on the comment icon, select the category, and then type in the comment text. Click on the comment button to indicate completion. The inserted comment will now display in the top section of the comments pane. The comment has edit and delete icons, as you can see here. To edit the comment, click on the pencil icon and then make necessary changes to the text. Click on Update Comment to indicate completion of the update. Now let's add one more comment, but this time of a different category. To respond to this comment, click on the comment and ensure that the button changes to reply. Type in the response text, and then click on the reply button. The response is nested below the original comment for clarity.